Alright, I'm at my customer's house here in Niantic. I'm in their sewer line, 58 feet 2 inches. What we're looking at right now is the inside of a sewage ejection pump chamber outside in the backyard. I'm going to start pulling the camera back now. This pipe material is SDR35 PVC. It appears to be 4-inch. That's a chunk of cast iron scale you're looking at. That little piece of cast scale will wash through into the pit when the toilets are used and stuff. Right there on the bottom left of the screen, that's more cast iron scale. All of that has been knocked off of the cast iron piping. I just cleaned the pipe with an electric snake, so I knocked a lot of that iron scale off of the pipe, restoring the pipe back to its normal diameter. As you can see, there's a lot of scale. All that scale would have sat in the pipe, jagged, kind of like barnacles. Anything flushed down the toilet, any kind of cotton products would cling to that like Velcro. Right here is where we transition from the 4-inch SDR35 to 4-inch cast iron. It's pretty old and rough looking. You could imagine flushing a baby wipe or a tampon down this sewer line, how it's going to cling to all that jagged material. Basically, the camera flips around in the pipe, so you could tell the bottom of the pipe by where the channel of water is. Right now, the bottom of the pipe is in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You can see the massive amount of cast iron scale sitting on that pipe, on the bottom of the pipe. It's a recipe for clogs. This pipe really should just be excavated and replaced, or possibly high velocity water jetted just to strip the scale away at the very minimum. So another bathroom tying in. Right here is where we go from cast iron to PVC.